and the Bulldogs. My name is Aaron. I'm a software engineer. What that means is that I write a lot of code, but it's also much more than that. I spend a lot of time communicating with different people, such as customers, project managers, and other engineers. I do a lot of documentation, such as requirements of what my project needs to do, design, schedule, test procedures, user manuals, things like that. My background, I have a bachelor's degree in computer engineering. Many other people in in this industry have degrees in things like computer science or information technology. Some people have master's degrees, but you really don't have to have that for most jobs. Many people are self-taught recently. With the amount of information that's available on the internet, that is definitely a viable way to go, but it is much harder to get a job without a degree. Some strengths that you need to be successful in this industry are communication skills. We spend a lot of time communicating with customers, especially trying to understand what is it that they need, what problems are they having, and what can we do to help. We also spend a lot of time coordinating with other engineers, especially around the world. People that are working in other time zones and speak different languages. So the ability to communicate is key. We also need to be able to have analytical problem solving skills. So we get a lot of complex problems that are often poorly defined, and we have to break those down into small, easily manageable pieces, and then we have to put those together so that they come together and form a system that actually does something useful. And that can be a difficult skill to learn. Uh, some advice would be if you're if you think you're interested in this industry, try it out. If you go to Google and search, there's a ton of information and resources on programming available. I would encourage you to do that, to go and search for introduction to programming, and start writing some code and see how it makes you feel. If it excites you and interests you, then this may be a career that you should pursue. And